Good morning, class 10. Applications of trigonometry. I have explained the terms which are used in this exercise. So whenever you will see this video, you will open your book and an exercise. Now I have explained question 1. Today I would like to explain a few more questions, and then as I told you, the most important point in this exercise is to draw the figure according to the question. Now I explained how will you draw the figure. A tree breaks due to a storm, question number 2. So suppose this is the ground and this is tree. AB is a tree, and BC, this is the ground, and it is broken due to a storm, and broken part, suppose this breaks at here, suppose B, and this portion DA touches the ground at point C, suppose. So let A be a tree, and it is broken. It is broken at D, and DA becomes DC and touches the ground. So this angle is 30 degrees. This is the question. And now you have to find what is the height of the tree. Height of tree means AB. So this is the figure according to the question. Now I would like to explain and you will solve. So AB, so first this is the right triangle. So in this right triangle, and this touches the ground at distance of 8 meter. 8 meter, at the distance of 8 meter, the top of the tree touches the ground. And now you see what is the total height AB you have to find. So in this triangle, this is P, this is B, you find BD. You find BD in a right triangle. In the right triangle, and DCB is 30 degrees. In the right triangle, DVC. So what will you take for this angle? Which ratio? So now you see P and B. So you will take tan of cot. So tan 30 degrees is equal to P by B, dV by DC, dV by BC. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. dV 8 meter, no, dV you have to find dV, and then this is 8. By cross multiplying dV equal to 8 by 3. So this is dV, this person. And now you find DC, because DC if you find that will be AD. And AD and DV you will add, so you will find that you will get the height of that tree. So now for this angle, so you can take cos or sin भी ले सकते हैं, because we have already found the value of DV. तो यदि इसको हमेशा निकालना है cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree is equal to B by P. B by H, so BC by DC, cos 30 value, root 3 by 2, BC, 8, DC, we don't know. By cross multiplying, DC is equal to 2 into 8, 16 by root 3. Now you see, and this DC is equal to DA, because that portion has become here DC. Is equal to 60 by root 3 meter. Now you find AB. AB is equal to, you see the figure, AD plus DB. So AD we have found 16 by root 3 and plus DB we have calculated 8 by root 3 and then now you simplify root 3. So this will be 24 or rationalize if you do the rationalizing the remainder. So that will be 24 upon 3 root 3. This will be cancelled. So when you get under root in the denominator, you will reduce to the simplest form by rationalizing the denominator. So this is the height of tree. This is the solution. Height of tree, root 3 meter. In some question, if root 3 value is given in decimal, suppose 1.73, so you can multiply this value to 8 by 8 and then you will get the answer. So root 3 is also correct answer, and if root 3 value is given, so you will multiply. This is the solution. So I explain a few more questions and then you will try to complete the exercise. Tomorrow you can ask any question, but I will try today a few more questions. I concentrate only on drawing the figure. Question 3, this is the inclined. This question number 3, you see, contractor plans to install 2 slides. For children 5 years, reapers have to slide with the rope height. The slide whose top is at the height of 1.5 meters. This is 1.5 meter. And for junior, and this is the angle 30 degree. And this is for junior student, that is the height is 3 meters. So this means here we have 2 figures. One the height is 3 meters and angle is 60 degrees. So now you have to find what should be the length of slide. That is A, B, C. So here you have to find AC, and here suppose P, Q, R. So here you have to find PR. That's all. Now for this angle, this is the hypotenuse. So now you take sin 30, P by H. By simplifying, you will get the value of AC. Now here also sin 60, P by H. By simplifying, you will get the value of AC and PR. So this is in question number 3. So this figure will help you to solve the question. Now you see angle of elevation, question 4. Angle of elevation of top of tower. Suppose this is tower, PQ, and this is the point where angle is 30 degrees, and this is angle 30 degrees, and this point is a distance of 30 meters from the foot of the tower. So now you have to find the height of the tower. So this is B, this is C. Tan 30, P by B, you will simplify. So question number 4. Kite is height. Height, suppose this is the height of the kite and 60 meters above the ground. This is 60 meters. Now the string, this is the thread with the helm. You are flying, and this is tied on the ground. Inclination means angle. String with the ground is 60 degrees. Why? Find the length of this. Find the length of AC. So this is the figure. Void, this is H, and this is P, this is B, so you take sine 60, P by H. By simplifying, you will get the value. So, some more questions. So, I am concentrating on how will you draw the figure, because figure is the most important. Question number 6. 1.12 meters tall. This is the AB and this is the height of tall wall. And this is the tower. A building is at distance of 30 meters. Now यहाँ पर एक चीज देखना है कि ये जो एंगल दिस इज द पॉइंट ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. यहाँ से इसको देखेंगे, इसलिए इसका हम बेस का पैरेलल खींचेंगे यार, ये एंगल बनेगा. दिस इज द एंगल. ये ध्यान देना है. यहाँ CD इज द बिल्डिंग एंड DE, ये जो फिगर है इसके इक्वल आ जाएगा, बिकॉज दिस इज रेक्टेंगल, दिस इज ऑलरेडी रेक्टेंगल. So this are equal. AB is equal to DE is equal to 1.5 meter. So this is also 1.5 meter. This is the important thing, because point of observation is here, not here. So this type of figure you will fall in this. And the angle of elevation from his eyes of top of building increases from 30 degree, and after walking towards the tower, the angle becomes 60 degree. Now this becomes the angle 60 degree. This is the he walks towards the tower. यहाँ से ये walk किया है. After moving towards the tower, angle will be more, and therefore this angle will be 60 from 30. So, what is the distance he traveled? What is the distance he walked? This is the question. So, यानी AF निकालेंगे, तो ये यहाँ था, ये आ गया यहाँ. तो ये आपको BG निकालना है. BG मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द टावर. ये देखिए यहाँ से इस तरह से ये यहाँ पर आना है. Angle is formed because the eyes are here, so point of observation this and this. So BG means AF. AF निकालेंगे, that will be equal to BG, and that is the distance you walk towards the tower. Now CD is the tower or building. Now how will you find? In this triangle CAE, tan 30, P by B. So this is इसको मान लेंगे आप. This will be suppose H. So 30 meter tall building. Sorry, this is already given 30 meter. So this will be 30 minus 1.5. This will be 28.5 meter. This is so CE. So tan 30 P by B, AE निकाल दीजिए. You find the value of AE, and in this angle you find tan 60 P by B. FE you will find, and you subtract FE from AE, that will be AF, and this is equal to BG, and that will be the distance traveled toward the building. So, इस तरह से my dear student, you will draw the figure and you will find the solution. Or any problem, so I will re-explain or I will talk to you how will you draw the figure. So you will try to, one more question, question 12. So you will simplify it and drawing this figure. Now one more question, question number 12, suppose. A 7 meter high building, suppose this is 7 meter high building, be 7 meter. Angle of elevation of top of tower. This is angle of elevation of top of tower. ये इसको horizontal कितना पड़ेगा? ये CD is the tower, and this is 7 meters. So this is also 7 meters. Angle of elevation of top of tower. ये देखिए angle of elevation. That is 60 degree. Angle of depression of foot of the building, foot of the tower. So depression here, top of the tower. This is foot of the tower. So this is the angle of depression. Depression आपको समझा दिए हैं. If you are observing any object below your eyes, line of sight, so that is angle of depression. So this will be how much? 45 degrees. This is the figure. How will you find the height of the tower? So in this figure, and by geometry, this will be 45 degrees. So you find BD, tan P by B, BD. And this BD will be equal to A. Now A मालूम हो जाएगा, and then you take P by B. So you will find CE, and lastly, height of the tower, CD is equal to CE plus ED. So you will find the value of height of the tower. That's all.